the thing that has sort of changed for me is I went at a lot of my thought process around at least investing, say probably, again, 18 months ago, that all these little copilots that were going to merge with all these little big incumbents inside of enterprise software, that was going to be the next iteration of how this was going to play out. Thank goodness I did not put a lot of investment into that. I was always intrigued by, okay, what was next and what was happening beyond, which was all these autopilots that were emerging from all these next generation companies. But I was really excited with the fact that there was this data substrate that was driving this, which actually drove Insight's billion-dollar investment into Databricks. So when we thought about this a little further, what we said was well, the data substrate on this matters more than anything else, because if you have high-quality data, you can get all of these other things accomplished. But if you don't, then you're out of luck. So let's look at an opportunity where data can drive this sort of autonomous future. And this autonomous future is less and less about these copilots being done by these, call it established institutionalized players in enterprise software. The next generation of software companies are going to really emerge through this agentic future. And so that is what is really surprising to me, because I don't think we were able to say that out loud. We didn't have a true view on that. We just kind of iterated through it. And as we now start to see this play out, the world is no longer going to be about the incumbents in software driving copilots. That is dead. And the world is moving towards these agentic systems. And more than likely, because of how much incumbency there is with the existing, software folks that have, dominated the last, call it quarter century, they may not be the ones that are creating the future that we're going to look forward to.